Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Honda Odyssey and this car have a problem. You can see check VSS system. So that's the warning light and engine light and traction light on. I will show you how you can solve this problem. First you have to test with your diagnosis tool why light came. Read code. Here fault came in P0354 number 4 cylinder ignition coil circuit malfunction. Number 4 ignition coil cylinder. I think there is some problem in wiring, so now we'll see. This is the engine room, Honda Odyssey, and this is number 4 cylinder here. This one, everyone is perfect wiring, but this one, see, loose connection. I think anybody didn't fix properly, that's the problem, or I think fixed but properly not pressed. So I fix it and check now. Now I press that wire which I found in a loose connection. So now I erase fault code and we'll see. Check ignition off, ignition on. Okay, now start car, and you can see traction light and check VSS system gone. It will perfect now. Okay, thank you. If your car have same problem in Honda Odyssey, check first scan, and if like this same fault, so test ignition coil wire. Okay, thank you.